Alright, this one is called the...
Get over here.
So what you're going to do is start off with the step touch. Boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba. So I'm going to move in towards her, step touch. And I'm going to reach out my hand. And the last part of it is I'm going to bring her into me. Right? So I was just talking about being a challenge. So what I don't want to do is step touch. I'm walking out all the way into her. Right? So it looks really like needy. So what I do, it's still a step touch in. The key is I just reach out my hand and I pull her into me. Okay? So hands on this side. Step touch. So I'm being a little bit aggressive, but at the end I'm making her come to me. So DJ, the music please. So I'm just step touching. I'm gonna move it nice and smooth. And I just pull her into it. One more time. Okay, so reach out a little bit, and I'm pulling her in like this with my hand. Very nice. And you're gonna move in on 5, 6, 7. Reach out the arm. So walk in towards her. Reach out and then pull her into the last minute. Make her come to you. Very good. Nice. You get the switch in the hands a little bit. Good. Start over. Back it up again. That was pretty much perfect. So she just did it. Alright. Very good. Like that. So real chill. Then he's like, well, I want to kind of bridge the gap. I want to get a little closer, right? So he's going to move it in. And still while you're kind of leaning back, I'm just going to reach out. And then pull her, make her come to you. Right? So that's kind of real, it's this subtle aggression. And it's sexy, yeah. Good. DJ. Music. Cool? So the last tip is basically from step touch. What I don't, one last thing I don't want to do is kind of like lean in towards her. So even though I'm moving towards her, I'm still kind of almost leaning back. Very casual, right? Okay, so try it one more time. No music, just when I walk in, you come up like straight or a little bit back, like just real hanging out, chilling. Exactly, and then you just pull her in towards you. Alright, so that one is the
Get over here.